In this video, I will be showing you how to revert the sneaky change when disabling Copilot in the Edge sidebar. Let's get started. First, I move my cursor down to the search bar on the Windows taskbar and click it. I type in Edge to find the Microsoft Edge browser application. Once it appears in the best match results, I click on Microsoft Edge to open up the browser window. Now that Edge is open, I navigate to the top right corner of the window and click on the 3 horizontal dots to open the Settings and More menu. From the drop-down options, I scroll down and click on Settings. This opens the main Edge settings page. On the left sidebar, I look for the Copilot and AI option and click it to change the settings view. On the right panel under Copilot and AI, I look for the toggle switch next to Show Copilot button in the toolbar. I click the toggle to turn it off, which hides the Copilot icon. Next, I click the same toggle switch again to turn it back on just to verify its behavior. I move up to the top tab bar and click the plus icon to open a new tab. I check the right corner, where the Chat or Copilot icon is now visibly showing again. I switch back to the Settings tab by clicking on it. I look below at the next option, which is Copilot New Tab Page, and click the toggle next to it to turn it on. Then, I open another new tab by clicking the plus icon at the top. This time, the new tab page fully loads into the custom Copilot view with the message field visible. I return to the Settings tab once again. I click the toggle for Copilot New Tab Page to switch it back off. Then, I check the Show Copilot button in Toolbar toggle, clicking it to turn it off, and then clicking it once more to turn it back on. Finally, I click back over to the first new tab I opened to make sure the standard search page appearance is active. I click back into the Settings tab, click the toggle to disable the Copilot button in the toolbar, and switch tabs one last time to review the browser interface changes. That is how you revert the sneaky new tab layout changes when managing the Copilot settings in your Edge browser sidebar. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.